Personal power is a collection of qualities common to those who accomplish at a high level. People who demonstrate personal power have a magical X factor that resonates from deep inside them and seem to have a Midas touch. But they are no more charmed than anyone else. They've just developed a winning recipe for success and access their best at will, so they can show up big when they need to. When you are at your most effective and productive, how would you describe yourself? Are you focused, disciplined, enthusiastic, passionate, energized? Do you feel worthy, capable, and competent? Do you think of yourself as a leader, a motivator, a success? Beliefs like these add to your personal power. Determination, resiliency, strength, presence, willingness, intensity, flexibility, and more. Personal power takes many shapes and has many uses, but above all, it lights the way to do as much good as possible. So find your power, take action, and do your part to make the world a better place.